Well, we found just the greatest little campsite right here.
Sure did.
We're back in the Selway Bitterroot Wilderness. Oh yeah. Got a nice little campfire that was here, kind of off on the side of the road.
Private beach.
We got our own private beach down here, which is where we're about to be going. Just right over there. And I got a little turkey sandwich, a Hawaiian roll.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh yeah, nice little beach spot.
You're swimming, Axel!
Be careful.
Nope. Good boy, you swam!
Double twist when you hit the air. Look at Julie down below. Deliver to the door pass so. I see roll. Gonna get there.
Well, now it's yours. What? Did you bring it to me?
He's like, oh yeah, you're too slow.
We're now on the other side of the river.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm like swimming so hard.
Axel, ready for a run. He's gonna trek it with Marianne. And I'm gonna head up to Fog Mountain, which is somewhere over there. Sun's coming up. Slept pretty good last night. Marianne's doing some water over there. This bridge is pretty wild. Last year this road was closed. It's gonna be a lot of uphill. I think that's Indian Hill. It's got a lookout tower on the top of it. This has been a slow, steady incline. I think that's where we're headed. In the sun. It's hot. There's Indian Hill again. And I'm kind of curious, there's a few peaks poking up over there, south of here. There's definitely a lot of snow out there. on top Fog Mountain. That's a sweet looking mountain over there. I don't know what that one is. All right, there's a big dog, or probably a wolf. Gnarly. Yikes. I made it to the saddle. Oh.
From shotgun. Cheers.
Watch how fast I'm gonna drink it. Cheers!
Cheers.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
a cold beverage.
I know. I might do a little turkey Sammy.
Celebratory turkey sandwiches.
Oh yeah.